Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane. Today I'm going to talk about my journey with Gel X extensions. They're right here. I have 2 boxes. I love them, and I'm going to talk about why I started using them, what I like about them, and eventually why I stopped using them. But hold up. Also show you what I have switched to. I am using IBD Builder Gel with Apres Xtend Gel. It's HEMA-Free, and I'm using this one as my base with the Builder Gel. I'm going to be talking about why this combination has been working amazingly for me. It has been a great alternative. Now, if you're a nail tech looking for HEMA-safe products, or you just want to find alternatives that are more affordable but still professional, high quality, then please keep watching. I think this would be really helpful for you. Now guys, let's get started with the video. Now these are really good alternatives that I have found that just work just as well or even better for a lower price actually than the Xtend Gel. Right now I'm using IBD Gel with Apres Xtend Gel, which is like I said, HEMA-free. It's called sensitive because it's HEMA-free. It's really good, and Acrylate-free, I believe. I'm using it as my base, and I'm going to explain why I prefer this combo and why it's more flexible for me, more long lasting, more comfortable to work with. Doing your nails safe when it comes down to HEMA and acrylates, allergic reactions. So if you're a nail tech or even a DIYer like myself, struggling with allergies or HEMA-free or HEMA sensitivity, or you just want to save money while keeping high quality, then this video is just for you guys. So stay tuned to the end also so I can give you some tips and we can talk about what I am planning to try with the IBD gel as a base instead of the expensive one, which is the sensitive Apres one. But what I have to tell you about Gel X, after I used Gel X for a long time, or for a long period of time, maybe months, maybe a year, I really loved it so much. It allows me to do the shape. It's like, it will look like this, the small one, right? But short. This one I bought natural short. The short is too short, and so this is the length that I have right now. I did the Gel X once or twice or maybe 3 times, and so once I have to file it off. I filed it off so many times, the Gel X, that I had to, it just goes away. It grows out. You have to keep filing and cutting your nails to have the length that I desire, this length. And I'm not gonna lie to you, as you do your Gel X, they're so pretty. If you do a great job with this, their Apres, this is a little bit in the expensive side. Their their Xtend Gel, I also bought this on Mercari in the website that I'm showing you today, and it was actually for a cheaper price. Also the box, I also bought it in there as well in Mercari for a cheaper price because they're too expensive in their retail prices. One of the boxes I ended up getting it in Amazon, but I'm not sure if there's a big difference. But I can tell you the truth is that the long one that I ordered off of Amazon, this big box, the nail extensions that I ordered off of Amazon, they were kind of like different. One of them was like falling off of my nail, so I'm not sure if one of the box is fake or it's real or what. But what I can tell you is that this, I bought it off of Mercari with box, and it worked perfectly. Oh my goodness, this one is a sensitive one. This one, the original price is $44, I believe, or I'm not sure. I think this one is a smaller one, so it would be like 30, I think. I'm not sure, guys. We'll have to double check that. And so I bought it off of Mercari for 16 bucks. Like I said, the deals that you find on Mercari are so good. So the whole bundle on Mercari, I found it for, how much? I believe this $25 plus shipping, maybe $5 extra, 6 in total, $30. And that was a bundle that I bought for 26 bucks in total, maybe 32 bucks. But if you go in the retail price, this is going to be more expensive. In the retail price, this box would be around 30, I think, or 26. And this one would be, it was just, you will end up paying around 50 bucks plus $10 shipping if you buy it in the retail price. And that's the reason why here today I'm showing you the place and where and how you should buy them for a cheaper price. That place is Mercari. It's an amazing place to go buy and save your money. And like I said, this one is a sensitive one, which a sensitive one, I bought it sensitive because it, when it says sensitive, that means it's hypoallergenic. It doesn't cause any allergens, that contact dermatitis, doesn't causes you allergic reactions. And so I've been using that, and it's amazing. And I do like the look. Back then I was doing a lot of Russian nails. This one gives you a really beautiful look of like the Russian nails, but I kind of like the little, the bag, the little, how the Gel X, just the look of the Gel X. I really I love that, how it looks. Yes, let me pass on to the next one. This one, the IBD, I've been using the IBD instead of using the Gel X tips on top of my the base, which is, this one would be an Xtend Gel, but this is also a base gel. That I gotta tell you that much. You do not have to buy a separate base when you're using Gel X products from Apres. So this is what I'm doing. Instead of using Gel X, I am filling up I'm doing refills with not with the Gel X. I'm doing the base, right? And then after I use the base and the nails empty, after I file off my nails, then on top of the base, I use IBD, and oh my god, the IBD just gives you that look of the Gel X without using Gel X. It's so pretty, it's beautiful, guys, and it's long lasting, and also it doesn't lift. But I'm not sure what happens if you use the IBD with the construction gel. I believe I tried it and it did not work. It just started lifting the IBD with the construction gel as a base. But I can tell you that much, that you can, if you want to, you don't have to try the IBD with this base, with the Xtend, because it's so expensive. I tried to buy one on Mercari, and yes, it was fake, so I'm going to show you that as well, how to avoid that. It said sweet on the bottom, and they don't have that, you know, so it was just a fake, I guess. But I just canceled it. It was today, and I do not want to buy, you know, a fake gel. But yes, the IBD is really good. I did order some base gels to some time ago, maybe last week, and so I'm going to talk to you about that once I try it. It's on the cheaper end, and it's also not sensitive, so it's not HEMA and Acrylate, you know, free. So I'm going to have to try it. But my fear trying any other base is that I don't want them to touch my cuticles, even though I know the alternative, how to clean it and how to avoid that. But yes, guys, I'm going to try this one with a different base besides this, and so I'm going to see if it leaves or if it has any air bubbles or air pockets, so that way you can know if this one works perfect. So the reason why I've been using IBD in as an alternative instead of the Gel X, like I said, it doesn't lift or anything like that with their product, their Xtend Gel. It's really good, it looks beautiful. And the one thing that I gotta say, you do not need sleep layer. Oh my god, a sleep layer just is a waste of time. When you do sleep layer, it's really good for some gels like the construction gel, or you know, the other framework gels. They're really good with a sleep layer. But this one, the IBD, you do not need a sleep layer. If you do a sleep layer with the IBD hard gel, your gel is just going to be running, it's going to go around your fingers, and of course it's going to give you allergic reactions. But it doesn't happen to me, because like I said, I know how to clean up well with the Bounty. Is my best friend. The alcohol, those are the essentials for you not to have allergic reactions happening to you. But what I've been doing to avoid running the product to be running around my cuticles is I do not do a sleep layer. I do the base, I clean up my nails, right? I prime them, I dehydrate them, prime them, and then I use the Xtend Gel as a base, and then after that I use the IBD, and I don't do a sleep layer. I just do one bead, kind of big or medium small, whatever I need at the moment, and I just wait for it to balance it out. I kind of drag it down, just turn the finger upside down for the gravity to balance it out really cute, and then I just dry. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer to dry in comparison to the construction, the American Creator, or the frameworks. It takes longer to dry. I do not like that part, but it's really good, and I really love it. There is also a good tip of where I buy these ones. This one, I don't buy them on Mercari. Of course, the framework gels, I buy them on Mercari. The sensitive one from Apres, I buy them on Mercari, really good price. The gel tips also, you can find them on Mercari, really good price. The IBD, I'm sure you can find them on Mercari for a good price, but what I've been doing lately to find the IBD is I go to Walmart or I go to Amazon, and I find them there for $17 in Prime days, for 16 bucks on Prime, then 14, and also on Walmart online, not in person. I haven't tried that, but you can try that if there's a closer Walmart to you. Mine is really far away from me, but I order online, and sometimes the price is 20, sometimes 23, but sometimes $17. I believe right now it's like $18. I'm not sure, 17, 18, but it's free shipping, you know. And what I do is that I wait until we need soaps or detergents, things for the floor. When we need lotions or things like that, or what else we need, yeah, detergent or dishwash, when it passes $35, that's when you can get free shipping. So that's another way that I save money. I wait for that amount of money on Walmart to reach to 35 when I need other products. I would not order something like this just by itself, because if I do, then you have to pay $6, $7, or $10 for shipping. That's in my area, because I don't have a closer Walmart to me. Usually we go to Queens because there's a closer one, or we go to upstate New York. So yes, we live in New York, but we have to travel a little bit farther. There's not a Walmart around the city, closer to the city. So yes, you have to drive a little bit farther or order online. And for us to order online, we don't receive a free shipping unless we pass the amount of money, which is $35. After 35, you get the items for free shipping, and that's how I get my IBD gels. There are other questions that I was, oh yeah, also Amazon is free if you have Prime, but if you don't have Prime, then wait for you to, you know, get them. And there's other ways that you can get Prime for free, not for free, but for like half of the price of Prime. And we have Prime at home, and so that's how we do it as well. Just what are the other ways to get Prime if you're a college student, things like that. Guys, there's another tip that I'm going to give you to find good deals. That way you don't order things on retail price. If you don't have to, do not order things on retail price. At the same time, you do not need this one specifically. You can also use a different one as a nail cleaner for you to be able to work with this one. You can also buy your nail cleaners on AliExpress, on Amazon, or other places like Walmart. And my favorite would be AliExpress, because I know that they are, even though they arrive within a week or so, they are really cheap, around $2. The other thing that I want to talk about is that I also make my own nail cleaner. I'm going to show you how it looks like. This one is perfect. I love it so much. This one is really good. Look, it's a good nail cleaner, and I can show you in another video how I make my nail cleaner, and it will work great with that. It also removes the sleep layer. It's It has two bases that's easy to make, but it's really good. You can make your own, or you can buy one on AliExpress or Amazon, wherever you think is better. And if you can afford this one, then go for it. You know, I wouldn't, but hey, that's up to you. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something else, guys, because thing that I just realized right now is that I haven't used this IBD yet. Look at that, I still haven't used this IBD because what I've been doing is, this one is very empty. You see, I've been using and loving this one. It's also IBD that I pour inside there and throw away the container. I'm not sure what happened, it's such a long time ago, but at this moment I've been locked in and I used it so many times. But yes, this one I'm going to start using it very soon. But I love this one. This is my favorite. Surprise here. The reason why this one is my favorite is because I've been looking at some Korean girls using it online. Not using this one, but using one that looks similar consistency as this and looks like this, like the Gel X, and that's when I fell in love. And I try to look for, oh my god, let me look for that look, and so until I found this one. Please do not mind my boo. Yes guys, that's going to be for another video where I'm going to be trying the base gel from the Beatles brand and IBD combo hard gel. I'm going to try these two instead of these two, just to see if this is going to be a cheaper and safer alternative. And the only downside of that would be just do not touch your skin. Like I said, you know, don't come in contact with your skin. But I'm going to try that, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and let you know how that worked out for me. If I liked it, if I didn't develop any air bubbles, if it didn't fall off, if the nails lasted a long time, how long it lasted, and if it was difficult to remove, which that would be a plus and a W. That's what I'm expecting to happen, but I'm expecting it to work since I already like their colors a lot. You see how the nails being like a while, it's like old nails already crusty, and the nails are really good. They don't shape at all because you just need to know how to do it. Another tip that I will tell you about the IBD gel, using it with a regular color, not the foundation, the base gel. When you're using the IBD with a regular color, you don't have to wipe your IBD gel because it leaves you a sticky layer. You don't have to wipe it with alcohol, with nail cleaner. Don't do that. What you're going to do is the IBD sticky layer works perfectly with the Beatles on top, right on top of it. It helps it adhere. The sticky layer helps the IBD color, I mean the Beatles color, adhere to the gel really good, and so that's a plus for me. I actually have tried it by removing first the sticky layer and then putting the Beatles color, and that did not work. It was really bad and it chips in the corner. It did not work. But like I said, yes, IBD has worked for me really good with the Beatles gel and so color, and so now I'm going to try the base gel because, you know, I'm thinking it might be a great combo. And guys, that's going to be for another video. For now, I'm going to, and so guys, yes, that's going to be for another video. I'm going to share my next experiment trying my Beatles Base Gel. So guys, yes, that's going to be, I'm going to so guys, I will also share my next experiment trying the Beatles Base Gel to see if it works as well with the IBD Builder Gel, even though it's not HEMA or Acrylate-free. So guys, remember, if you're a nail tech struggling, or just a DIYer struggling with allergies like myself, with HEMA sensitivity or acrylates, or you just want to save money like me while keeping the quality high, then this video is just for you. So now guys, comment down below, have you ever tried switching from Gel X or using a different base gel, and what's your experience with your combos? Let me know in the comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe for part 2. Press on the like and press on the notification so that way you can stay notified when I upload another video like this one. And I'm going to share, you know, how long the Beatles Base plus the IBD gel combo lasts, and if it's a good dupe instead of the Xtend Gel. So guys, for now, take care, goodbye, and thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I appreciate it. I mean 602, yay! Or I'm sorry, 603. I'm so excited. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for your help so far, and thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for staying loyal. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching my videos too, and if you stayed to the end, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Take care, and God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.